Outside the N215. You relaxing today. That's what I'm saying. Even after the work day, y'all, you still gotta push. All right, yeah, we're gonna be tired and all that, but how about that change from any other day? And I'm not saying don't get some rest, but you know, keep pushing, man. Don't stop till you reach your goal. Set aside some personal goals, some stuff you want to see for yourself. It's gonna be difficult. Everybody gonna be in your ear. Wife gonna be saying this, daughter, son saying that, brother, nephew saying this. Still gotta learn to tune the noise out though. You have to. For your own sake. And I'm glad God gave me a chance to tune out the noise, man. I mean, peace is what we all want, right? Is this not what we're searching for? That's what we in it for. Peace. And maybe some of us so caught up in the glitz, the glamour, the internet and all that, you know, all the platforms that's not existent. We don't even know what that means. Well, I suggest you take a look into it, man. Into what it means when your mind is calm and you ain't thinking about X, Y, Z, and the whole alphabet all at the same time, but you can focus on one. Outside the N215. Checking in.